Now we are seeing block diagram of negative feedback amplifier. When we are saying the negative feedback amplifier, the input is Vs minus Vf. So we are subtracting the source voltage with feedback voltage. Then this type of amplifier, feedback amplifier, is called as negative feedback amplifier. In the block diagram of negative feedback amplifier, you can observe we have basic amplifier A, which is amplifying our signal with the gain A. If the input is Vi, output is A into Vi, which is nothing but V0. Now we will take the portion of this signal and we will give to the feedback network. Either we can give the voltage or current. So this can be, the sampling network can be voltage or current. We will later discuss how we can sample the voltage or how we can sample the current. But here two options are there. Either we can sample the voltage or here we can sample the current. If we are sampling the current, we will take in one way. If we are sampling the voltage, we will take in the one way. Now we are taking the fraction of that and we are giving to the feedback network. It is multiplying the output voltage by a factor of beta. Then the output of the feedback network is Vf is equal to beta into V0. This output of the feedback network is fed to the mixer network. This mixer network subtracts the feedback from the input Vs. So this mixer network gives the Vs minus Vf. This mixing can be done in two ways, either by series or shunt. So now the Vs minus Vf output is given to the basic amplifier as input. So this block diagram is called as negative feedback amplifier block diagram. We are calculating the mathematical equations. V0 is equal to A into Vi, but we know Vi is nothing but Vs minus Vf. So A into Vs minus Vf is nothing but beta into V0. So finally V0 is equal to A into Vs minus beta V0. Here we are interested in knowing the V0 by Vs ratio, the output V0 by this Vs ratio. For that we can calculate furthermore this V0 is equal to A into Vs minus A beta V0. If we take the A beta V0 to the left side, this will be 1 plus A beta into V0 is equal to A Vs. Therefore, Vs by V0 is equal to A by 1 plus A beta. Vs by V0 is equal to A by 1 plus A beta. Here we have, in the last step we have done a small mistake here. This is V0 by Vs. So this is V0 by Vs. Now V0 is the output voltage and Vs is the source voltage. Now I want to ask you a small question. What is the difference between this V0 by Vs? This is also a gain. This V0 by Vi, this is also a gain. What is the difference? This is the gain of only the amplifier, this basic amplifier, where V0 by Vs is the gain of the total feedback amplifier. Okay, V0 by Vi, what is the output? V0 by Vi, A. V0 by Vi, A. Whereas V0 by Vs, A by 1 plus A beta. Okay, this is the difference between gain of feedback amplifier and gain of basic amplifier.